Having trouble navigating the crypto world and need help fast? I'm going to show you how to access Bybit's live chat support and get your questions answered in a flash. First, head over to the Bybit website, bybit.com. Look for the help icon or question mark symbol. It's usually located at the top or bottom of the page. Click on it. This will take you to the Bybit Help Center now. Instead of digging through articles, find the live chat option. It might be a button or a link, so keep an eye out. Clicking on live chat will open a new chat window here. You'll likely be asked to select the category that best fits your question. This helps direct you to the right support agent. Choose the appropriate category and type your question clearly and concisely in the chat box. The more specific you are, the faster the agent can assist you. A Bybit support agent will then connect with you to provide real-time assistance. They can guide you through troubleshooting, explain features, and answer any questions you may have. And that's it. You've successfully accessed Bybit's live chat. Now you can trade with confidence, knowing help is just a click away.